Coding, coding, coding! Coding with Cody!
Hi, everyone. I'm Cody the coding dog, and I love coding. Today, we're gonna learn about how do algorithms make video games.
Algorithms! Everybody sing!
Algorithms. Steps in order to do the job right. Algorithms. Let's see how a video game maker builds a game and then puts it in the store for you to buy.
My job is to make video games. I'm making a Sonic game. I'm gonna build algorithms, steps in order, on my computer to make this new Sonic game. Here's an algorithm I just made. There's an airplane in the background. Sonic is there. Sonic's standing in this spot. Tails is there. Tails is standing in this spot. Sonic says, "Okay, I didn't need your whole life story. A simple good to go would have been cool." Wait. Tails says, "All right, good to go." Okay, my steps are all in order. Now let's see what it looks like.
Okay, I didn't need your whole life story. A simple good to go would have been cool.
All right, good to go.
1 year later. Okay, I've been building a game for a long time, and now it's finally ready. I made like 5,000 algorithms just for this one Sonic game. Let's put all my algorithms on the shiny part of the CD, and let's put it on a lot of CDs. Now let's put the game in the store.
And then people buy the game. But what they're really buying is a CD with a lot of algorithms on it. And that's how algorithms make video games. But when you bring the game home, how do the algorithms turn into the game on your TV? You put the game into the machine, like a PlayStation or a Nintendo or an Xbox or even a computer. And there's a secret light called a laser inside the machines that sees the algorithms on the shiny part of the CD. When the CD spins, the light laser reads all the algorithms in order. And it turns the algorithms into a picture you can see that looks like this.
Okay, I didn't need your whole life story. A simple good to go would have been cool.
All right, good to go. Thanks, Laser. You turn all the algorithms into pictures, step by step. And that's how algorithms make video games.
I did it! Thanks, algorithms! Algorithms! Everybody sing!
Algorithms. Steps in order to do the job right. Algorithms.
Coding, coding, coding! Coding with Cody!